So we are here at the deck. So this is the last stage of the building. Last part of the building. Here you go, David and Carissa. Doon si mama, papa niya. Say kaway kaway. Kampay kampay. So we're here. So I'll gonna roam around. You can see all the building, okay? Go around. So this is John Paul. John Paul, kaway kaway. Busy siya. So, ganito nang kailiit ang area niya. Kasi nasa tuktok na lang. So, yung perimeter ano niya is like 20 meters. So, ano? Ganyan lang kaliit na ang pinakatuktok. So, you see, yan ang west na sinasabi ko. There is some west part. So ito yun. So ito na. Ayun. So dito ako galing kanina. I am in the north. I'm sorry, no problem. So dito man sila, Carissa, kaway kaway. Kaway kaway. So nandito ako, bumalik na ako dito sa place. Dito ako nag-exit kanina, nag-start ng video. Empire Building 2023. Empire Building 2023. So this is the north part of the building. Lakas ang hangin. Yan ang bridge na sinasabi nila. Nasa video kanina. So if you see my video, my third video, you can see this part. Nice. Kita mo na ngayon. Ito na yung pinakatuktok niya. So yan kami. So the Empire State Building. It's in New York, USA.